Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Ariya. In this video I'll show you common problem and repair costs. The Ariya is generally reliable, but some users report software glitches or infotainment issues. Like many EVs, occasional 12V battery or charging system warnings can occur, though they are not widespread. Maintenance costs are typically lower than combustion cars, since there is no engine oil or complex transmission. Brake wear is also reduced thanks to regenerative braking, lowering long-term costs. Tire wear can be slightly higher due to vehicle weight and instant torque. Overall, ownership costs remain predictable and relatively low. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.